Hi everyone, meet the AI SOP agent, your intelligent assistant for standard operating procedures. Designed to streamline access to company policies and ensure efficiency in the workflow management. So let's see how it works. As soon as you open the SOP assistant, you are welcomed with an authentication page. The SOP agent begins with an authentication system. Users can securely log in with their credentials, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access the company policies. So let's just go ahead and hit login with the test credentials. Once you logged in, it welcomes you. You just need to click on the Launch Chat Assistant. And here you have the AI agent identifies the logged in user and lets you know how the agent can help. So right now, the users can just go in and type in their queries about the SOPs or how things work in the organization and hit enter and ask the AI agent anything about regarding anything like to get answers about any of their questions regarding the operating procedures within an organization. So in this case, we ask the agent like, what are the carrier requirements for subcontracting hauling services? The agent was able to go into the SOP documents, fetch the exact answer what the user requested, and presented it in a human readable and understandable format. The agent also refers to the section and the exact page where this information resides on the SOP documents. So if we just go ahead and ask another question to this agent regarding what should we do if there is a security incident involving a contractor. So the agent goes into the documents, gets you the exact answers and describes you all three different kinds of incidents, whether it is a level one incident, a level two incident, or a level three incident. And again, it also asks the users if you want, you can refer to the page 3 and 4 of the SOP documents for more details. Let's just go in and ask another quick question to the agent to see what happens. So our next question is, what is the process for emergency rerouting of carriers? So let's see what the agent gives us. The AI agent identifies this as a level 2 incident and asks the users to follow the standard procedures for the level 2 incidents. And again, there's the page number and the exact section where you can get more information about it. Now, what if a user asks a question that is not included in the SOP documents? For example, in this case, if the user asks, what is the process for data outage? What would the agent do? The agent would go into the documents, search for it. If the agent is not able to find any match for the asked question, it will ask the user to respond if they want to send this data, knowledge gap to a manager informing about the question is not included in the SOPs. If said yes, the AI agent would trigger an email to the manager saying, hey, a test user has identified a knowledge gap within our SOPs and suggest some information that can be added to the SOPs. So the manager can get proper approvals, run it through proper channels, and then can be included in the SOPs as well. So as soon as the users replied with yes, the agent said, thank you for confirming. I've sent an email to the manager with suggested SOP updates for review and approval. Is there anything else would you like to know? No. So if we just go to the inbox of the manager, in this case, it's Adam Faith, we see we have an email from the SOP agent. And it reads, hello, a user has identified a gap in our current SOPs and we're asking about what is the process for data outage? This is the exact same question that the user asked to the chatbot. The chatbot was able to get that question out of the chat and send it via email to a manager for their review. And we can see the chatbot, the AI agent has also suggested us some procedures on how to handle data outage and is asking for our approval. And if we can also let the agent know via the same email replying that, hey, is this approved or it can be included in the SOPs, or are there any more modifications that we would like to know? And once the session is concluded, the user can easily log out and is returned back to the authentication screen. So that's pretty much it for the demo today. Thank you.